Hey everyone, welcome back to Get a Simple. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful and versatile WordPress themes out there, Divi by Elegant Themes. Divi is a premium WordPress theme with a visual builder that allows you to create stunning, fully responsive websites without writing a single line of code. It's like drag-and-drop magic for your website. Whether you're building a blog, an online store, or a portfolio, Divi offers a range of pre-made templates, customizable layouts, and design elements to help you get started quickly. One of Divi's standout features is its visual builder. What makes this tool special is that it's all about real-time editing. You can visually drag, drop, and design your site as you see it, making it incredibly easy to get the exact look you want. You get full control over every part of your website: fonts, colors, images, animations. Everything is customizable. If you're more advanced, you can even add your own custom CSS. If you're ready to take your WordPress website to the next level, Divi could be the perfect solution for you. Want to give Divi a try? Click the link in the description below to get started. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.